If you are planning to buy land here in Cameroon, especially in the city of Buea, then follow this process step by step before making any payments so you can avoid costly mistakes. Hello, my name is Musa Buba, your trusted real estate consultant here in the city of Buea. I help you invest safely on land without any mistake. Now, buying land here in the city of Buea is one of the smartest investments you can make, but you need to follow these processes to avoid making costly mistakes in the end. Step 1. Identify your budget. Start by identifying how much you want to invest. And that is not all. Always make sure you know what you want to do with the land you want to invest in. Step 2. Choose your location. That's why I said knowing what you want to do with the land is very important, because this will define the kind of location you want to put your investment on. Step 3. Visit the land. Or if you are a Cameroonian abroad, then get someone you trust here in Cameroon so they can visit the land, or get a real estate consultant who you shall trust to do visuals. Step 4. Verify documents. Check important documents like the land title, or if the land has a chief attestation, then you need to check properly the chief attestation, the sale agreement, the transfer of ownership, and the site plan. Step 5. Confirm ownership. Make sure the person selling to you is actually the one who owns the land, and the land is not a family land. Step 6. Once everything is confirmed, then agree on price. Step 7. Make payment. Don't only end there. Make sure the payment is properly documented. Step 8. Collect your documents. After making payments, make sure you collect all possible documents. And finally, step 9. Secure your investment, or secure your land. Mark your land and keep documents safe so that anytime you need it, you will present it. Following all these processes I mentioned will help you avoid costly mistakes and make proper investment. If you are looking for verified land here in Cameroon, especially in the city of Buea, then contact me directly or send me a message on WhatsApp via the numbers on your screen, and I will help you properly. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am Musa Buba, your trusted real estate consultant, and I shall see you on the next video.